Good morning and welcome back to Maths class, children. In the previous video I have explained you the sums of this exercise, that is 11.1, and I have given the homework up to 6. Okay, I hope all of you have finished. Now question number 7 we are going to start. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, that is a beautiful pattern of lines joining dots with chalk powder. She has 9 dots in a row. How many dots will her rangoli have for r rows? That is, in one row, how many dots are there? That first you have to find out that one. That is 8 dots. Okay. So she has nine dots. She has 9 dots in. And how many dots will her rangoli have for rows? R rows. Okay. R. And how many dots are there if there are if there are 8 rows? If there are 10 rows, that means what you have to do. The formula for Radha is drawing a dot rangoli or pattern with chalk powder. She has 9 dots in a row. Okay. That means, what does it mean? 9 into 1. 9. How many dots will her rangoli for R rows? That is 9 into R. And how many dots are there if there are? Okay. So first, in one row, there are 9 dots. That means nine. In one row there are 9 dots. What they asked? If she is having R rows, in R rows there are 9 into R, that is 9 R dots. Okay, children. Now, how many dots are there if there are 8 rows? In 8 rows there are 9 into 8, 72. And if there are 10 rows, in 10 rows, that is 9 into 10, 90 dots. That means, children, we are putting the value of R, that is the number of rows. Okay, then we are getting the number of dots in how many rows you are going to draw. Okay, now question number 8 question. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is Radha's younger sister, and Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write the Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be X. Okay. We are not aware how much age of Radha will be. So let's take, as they have given, let's let age of Radha is equal to how many years? X years. And Leela is 4 years younger. So age of Leela. Younger means less. X minus 4 years. If more, then X plus 4. Now question number 9. Mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remaining. Okay, if the number of laddus mother gave away is L, how many? Simple, let the total number of laddus as we have done in the 8th is equal to L, and remaining, that is, okay. So how many laddus did she make? Remaining were 5. She made how much? L plus 5. In 3 steps the answer will be written. Okay, so this one I explained you how you will get, so you do as we have done 8th one. Now question number 10. Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. When a large box is emptied, that means empty, the oranges from it fill two smaller boxes, and still 10 oranges are okay outside. If the number of oranges in small box are taken to be x, what is the number of oranges in the larger box? First of all, number of oranges filled in the box is equal to x. Question number, that is 10th. Let the number of oranges in each box, that is equal to x. Each smaller box, that is. Then in how many smaller boxes they filled? 2. The number of oranges in larger box. The number of oranges in larger box. There, the oranges were filled in 2 boxes. That is x plus x. Then 10 oranges were, I think, remain outside. Okay, 10 oranges were remain outside. That means total number of oranges were 10. Okay, so equation will become 2x plus 10. This is the way. Now question number 11. Look at the following mastic pattern of squares. The squares are not separate. The two neighboring squares have a common mastic. Observe the pattern and find the rule that gives the number of mastics. That is, what is that? First of all, children, in first figure there are 1, 2, 3, 4 mastics. Okay, then there are 2 boxes. Then total, okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of mastic in required for 2, that is, you see, 3 are common, and this is 3 are separately required and 1 is common. That means the number of mastic for this one is 4. This one 3 common into, that means 3 into 2, it will come No, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is added, and same way here children, that means here 3 3s are 9 plus 1. Let us see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this will be here, and here 3 4s are 12 plus 1. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so this is the way we have to find the formula now. That means this is 3 into 3. How many boxes we are going to make by that will become the number of squares. So the formula will be 3n plus 1. That means 3 twos are 2 boxes, and here 1, because 1 was common, that we will add. In 3 3 threes are, okay, plus 1. In 4 boxes 3 fours are, so formula will become 3n plus 1. Now in question number B part, same way we will make children. You have to write, only I am explaining you. Okay, first step, how many matchsticks require, I am telling you how to write. You will write the number of matchsticks required in a figure, that is 1 2 3. You will write 3. Then 2 are common, sorry, 2 are separately help to make these triangles, and 1 is common. That means 2 into 1 plus 1. How many? 2 ones are 2. Then how many are there? 3. That means here 2 ones are 2 for this, but here 2 are given. So in B figure you will go for this formula I made for this, because here how many they are separately required, that will be different, and number of triangles required, that will be different. Here I am showing you in first A figure, that is 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay, that is 3 matchstick. I am writing in short 3 matchsticks. In B, then 2 into 2, because 2 required separately for the each. Here number of triangles, this is number is showing, this number is showing number of triangle. 4 plus 1 5. In C, 2 into 3 triangles made, and 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. Same way in D, there were 4 triangles, 2 into 4 plus 1, that is 9. Let us see first. Here you see, compare with that, 2 separately required and 1 will be common, because if you will draw here, 1 matchstick will remain common. So we made the formula 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 into 3 plus 1, 2 into 4 plus 1. So I have written like that. And here in the D figure, you see 9 matchstick, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we are getting, so what is this 1 2 3 representing? Number of triangles. Okay, so the formula will become 2n plus 1 for question number B part of question number, that is 11th question. I hope you understood. Okay, so you complete children this exercise 11.1. Now in the next video we will start 11.2.